Glitter check.
Stage, her tuition fully paid. Got to stand on business just to be a scholar.
Yeah,
She admitted, said my brother
ago.
with the finish. Watch her turn another minute to $1. She don't really care if it's a room full of dogs. She know how to put them in a collar.
I can tell he's hanging by his hand, but it definitely looks like he's hanging by his neck.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to another Street Misfits video. A little different, but it's gonna be exciting. We got some changes coming. As usual, it's dark out. It's February 25th.
Yep.
Oh, that knows. Anyway, so we're actually getting ready to trade in the Dodge for something new for the channel. We gotta go through, make it clean, you know, be respectful of the next owner, possible owner. So we're gonna go through, put some stuff on there, make it clean. Stay tuned, it's gonna be exciting. I'm really excited for it. What's behind door number 1? Manifold for WRX for Legacy GT. Hit us up if you want it, spare. Subaru bullpen. You got your ABS sensors, your solenoids. Oh, that's facts. Another bin of Subaru parts. On to the next side.
Clean.
Clean. Well, this is for Gracie. She's gonna do this one. You wrapped it.
Yeah, you know what? No, you wrapped Tucker's car, and you know what? Who had to do it? I did.
By your choice.
You guys wouldn't have done it.
Yeah, Austin and I already planned on it.
We did plan on it.
We did plan on it.
Yeah, but you just didn't do it. You're doing that. It's not coming off unless you do it.
That's Connor's helmet.
Right here. Get it. Right here. There you go. Get it. There you go. Ready? Whoa. Get it.
Yeah.
I got money, ain't it changed. I got girls, they ain't strange. Not to mention, I don't do detention. When I'm in your ends, I beat you the entrance. And I don't need no guest list when I pull up to the palace. Smoking every room, yeah, we smoking on the chalice. Red cup and we okay, red cup and we.
Oh, you know, receipt for the belt trans, bumper bolts that not going back on. What? Yeah, the bed leaks oil. I need to do a bed oil change, actually. My jug of oil that's been back here for about 4 months. The Dodge is all cleaned up, so now we are just gonna throw the fender liners in the bed. We don't have the hardware, and I'd rather not do it janky, so we're gonna put it in the bed, and then we're just gonna give it a nice wash because we got some oil back here. Yeah, kind of forgot about the oil back there, but yes, it just needs a quick bath. You know, get the brake dust off the wheels. Other than that, the interior, like I showed you earlier, windows are clean now. Not perfect, but good enough for me. Got to go to work tomorrow, and then we are going to head up to Portland to go meet the guy and hopefully trade for the new car. Excited to show you guys. It's going to be a really cool chapter. Different for the channel, like we were telling you in the last video. It's not one of these, but it is a 2-door American car. So it's going to be pretty rad. Alrighty guys, well, finally got off work. Long day, but we're going to be late. As usual, we're Street Misfits. We're never on time. Oh well. So now we're heading there in the Dodge. Maybe the last drive. We'll see. I mean, she's still fun though. She makes all the sounds. I mean, if it doesn't work out, I'll still be happy. I like the truck. I will keep you guys posted. Probably when we get pretty close to there.
Alright guys, well it's the next day now. We are on the road on I-5. On our way to go meet with the Corvette guy. Connor's about 10 minutes in front of us. We're a bit late, as per usual. We were washing the car and all of a sudden we get a call from Connor saying the guy was already on the way and we were still an hour out. So we just had him leave without us. We're gonna meet him up there with the rest of his parts for the truck that are supposed to go with it, but he left them at the shop the other day. We are joined by a special guest. We are gonna go meet him up there, and we'll catch you when we get there. Hopefully the car is not a complete pile, and it's a solid trade, we hope. Hopefully it's not like Austin's car. I don't know what he's talking about. Rolling up. Look at the dog. Ooh. Oh. No. I guess we're about to find out whether or not this trade is worth it or not. I'm guessing Connor's gonna do it either way. Yeah.
I don't know about that. So when we went to Cali and drove all the way there, he, even if it wasn't stolen, he was still hesitant to buy it.
Let's find out. Clear after the white truck if you go fast.
If you go.
My directions lady isn't very good.
I'm trying. Turn you see the right side? Take the first right.
You see that? I don't see Connor. Well, we're here, but we can't find him. Well, this is a little problematic. We can't find Connor, the car, or the truck.
Hey.
Hey, buddy, where you at?
Just parking the Ram. I'm on my way back right now on the test drive.
Oh, where's your pickup at?
They're behind me.
Oh, you guys went on a test drive at the same time. Are you parking in the back of the parking lot?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll see my car. We're on the back row of parking on the furthest side towards the gas station, the Family Mart.
Yeah, kinda, yeah. Go that. Park over there.
That's where we're parked.
Alright, sweet. I'll be right there.
All right, sounds good. See you then.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. There he is. We're gonna go take a gander over there and see if this thing's worth anything or not. All right, so here's our update. We just got dinner. It was pretty good. Why is your Dodge still here?
Oh, you know, little legacy action part 2. If you know, you know. Car was a little rougher. It was a good 10-footer. Person not very nice looking. Drove like shit. We might have blown the trans in the Dodge. We'll see on the way home. But we got dinner though. Dinner wasn't bad.
Headed home. We're back to the shop. Screw around tonight. Figure something out to film for you guys tomorrow.
Because this was a bust. This is gonna be like a 2-second clip.
This is the whole plan for the video, and now the whole video is scrapped. So now we're gonna wing it, and it's probably gonna turn out just like last week's video.
Which was pretty good.
It's gonna be another vlogging video.
With nothing to do.
It's a Saturday.
Is this the intro?
I don't know if this is gonna be the
Or
intro.
is this the middle of the video?
It might be the middle of the video. It might be the intro. I'm just rolling with it. Welcome back to the video.
It's 12 o'clock. We're just getting our day started.
We had a 8 or 10 hour game of poker last night, so we're pretty beat today, but we're gonna go ahead and push through and try and get a video out for you guys because well, we are headed to a local, I don't know, what would you call it? Tractor supply. Yeah, like clothing supply store. Gonna go see if we can source some sweatshirts for you guys and see if we can get that rolling. This is this is nice. We went to the sweatshirt place to go get some ideas on pricing for that. And we go in there and Connor folded under zero pressure. I have a set margin on what the sweatshirts have to be for it to make sense for us to make them.
Like, we can't buy sweatshirts for $40 each. We're not making anything. So.
Yeah, we can't buy a sweatshirt for $40 and then try and sell it for, you know, 45, 50, whatever. So we go in there and what happened?
We got one sweater for $35.
There's an okay looking lady at the cash register. Hey, Connor goes up there, it instantly folds. He asked what the price is, like 40, which we all knew was too high. And then can we just buy this one? We walk out with an overpriced sweatshirt we're not gonna use.
What can a guy say, right? You got a sweater. There's somebody that buys a sweater is gonna get a really nice quality sweater for a great deal.
Yeah.
I think it was a great time too. I think you guys learned something today.
I think Connor's just really awkward around women, and that's been our experience today. Yeah, so if there's a woman at the counter, then the point of being there is just out the window, really.
It's kind of entertaining.
It is kind of entertaining, but it's not very productive.
But it's super fun to watch. So there's another one at the bank. There's 2 options, and he chooses to go to the old lady. He was scared to go to the younger gal. I'm glad we at least got an appointment scheduled. Otherwise, yeah, we would have walked in there and be like, we'll just do it online instead.
It's like, why are you here then?
Or Connor thanking the guy for holding the door while he was 20 feet away from it.
I swung the door open and kept walking, and Connor goes, thank you.
Nothing wrong about being nice, right?
Oh man, this video's good.
We all need different hoodies.
We're all
hoodies.
twinning right now.
Yeah, we turn around to walk out of the bank, and those 2 turn around first, and I see the matching sweatshirts walking away. I'm like, oh no. The teller sees me as well. There's 3 of us.
Austin fucking just moonwalks backwards. Moonwalks out.
This day's falling apart. It's 1:17 in the afternoon.
We have drinks.
We have drinks.
Which Austin
Ended up duct
has a
taping
bandage
mine.
on it.
Nothing's going right.
Big moral story. Different sweaters. I think Connor needs to have a girlfriend so he could actually talk to women again.
Yep. We're going to pick up some paperwork for the business right now, and then we're gonna go back to the shop and cut some customer stickers out.
Go to the strip club.
Get some packages packaged. Spider-Man.
We found Hulk. He's hanging.
I can tell he's hanging by his hand, but it definitely looks like he's hanging by his neck. Some little kid has a blast playing in this flower bed. It's either a kid or a really crazy person. Let me get a rip.
What?
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 You missing a gear?
Well, we're back in the car. Got home, did nothing, and now we're back in the car.
Tucker needs some VR1, so we can do an oil change in this John.
Look at you two matching. But yeah, we're gonna go get some oil and food because we're hungry.
You're clear.
Evos, dude, I'm telling you, I'm an Evo.
Dude. That thing just chops. We got our tire guys over here.
Dude, there's so much going on.
There's an M3 or no, it's M4.
Sounds so good. Whoever that is in Salem, Oregon, throw a comment down there or something. That thing's sweet.
Alrighty guys, back in the shop.
And we have done not a whole lot today. We drove this thing around quite a bit.
Yes, and we know she is in fact, well, the clutches.
We drove this thing into town a couple times and I did a pull. Just felt straight slippage with the clutch.
You feel the car bucking a little bit too. The car's bucking from the slipping.
Yeah, it was pretty good. It was an expensive feeling.
Yes, it felt like something broke.
Yeah, it was great. But we're not doing anything for that right now.
That's
because we have
latest
more
problem.
stuff going on.
The STI needs a clutch too.
We are doing a trans service and a diff service because my clutch or my trans is grinding pretty well. That might be from the clutch.
But you know, might as well.
Pulling my downpipe because we are putting in an AFR gauge.
Wideband gauge for the tuner next time we go to Wally so you can get it dialed in.
And we're hoping to fix my boost leak issue so we can get it retuned.
If you're curious, K&N filters are nice on Subarus because if you have your shielding here, the nut on the bottom, you can get it off without burning your hands. Well, little pro tip for you.
Oh boy.
Glitter check.
We got any glitter?
Is there? Stinky oil. How's it taste?
Tastes like slightly too long.
Slightly too. Are you used to slightly too long?
Yeah, it tastes like it might be a little glittery also. Tastes a little burnt, I'm not gonna lie.
My bad, Pip. I didn't mean I could get it on your tongue.
No, it's good. It tastes like it's due for a change.
You should taste like trans oil then, see how that tastes.
No, I think I'll sit out on that one.
Oh, this is a real test here.
I see no glitter.
Yeah, it seems like a really nice family though. Hey, you should throw some making us dinner.
Right there. This guy. There we go.
That's how you do it, guys.
And there's a Subaru downpipe.
We're gonna test the shaft play, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, she's got some play. Morning. Back at it. Last night we did the diff service. We got the downpipe off. We have to get a bunk, this exact bunk pretty much, right up here at the top. So we could have a wideband gauge, which is just your AFRs. And so when Wally comes back to tune Tucker's Subaru, it could be more dialed in and a lot more refined. That's what we want. we got back from my buddy's house. He welded the downpipe for Tucker. We have the bung on there. Tucker's getting the downpipe cleaned up.
So here's the welds.
Not bad for free.
Probably better than your boyfriend's. There it went.
So this is your wide band. Where it goes.
Okay, it is just me in the shop now. Austin and Connor both had to leave, so I'm going to finish up working on the Subaru here. I got the wideband in, so now we're gonna get this downpipe up in here and start running wires for the gauge. Yeah, see how this goes. Got my downpipe in. As you can see, there's the new wideband, and it goes behind my air oil separator. There's a grommet that goes into the cab, and then it comes down here. Gonna have it just down here, plug in, and then I'll clean it up. I am not filming a whole lot, but not very interesting. So just running wires to the car and stuff like that. I have the added fuse there, and all my extra wire, and the gauge, which I have nowhere to mount it. So probably just gonna float up there with wires going to it. It's gonna look pretty bad for a little while. But hey, what are you gonna do? Well, I finally got the gauge in the car and took it for a little test run. Sorry, I really didn't film much of doing it. I don't have a way to mount the gauge, so it's kind of just flopping around up there. It does its job. I need to get a holder for it. But yeah, it's gonna be all for today's video. We've kind of jumped around doing a bunch of things, so I'm not really sure what you're gonna see and what's gonna get cut out. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and come back for next week because we'll have something hopefully a little more exciting and productive. But I hope you guys all enjoyed the video and have a good evening.
Ain't strange. Not to mention, I don't do the tension. When I'm in your ends, I beat you the entrance. And I don't need no guess.